Apple has finally released the iPhone 15 series. This is the first time probably since the release of the iPhone 10 that I have been excited about an iPhone launch. Even the base level iPhones are really exciting, but that's a topic for another video and you can subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss it. But today I am here to talk about the Pro iPhones. Now before launch I was looking at getting the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have an iPhone 12 and I could really use the upgrade as a tech reviewer. But then, rumors started emerging about the price bump. Lo and behold, this was indeed the case, but just for the iPhone that I was looking to buy. The regular Pro is remaining at $999 USD. The Pro Max on the other hand is now at $1,200 USD. Here in Canada, the price conversion for USD is already sky high. Now the 15 Pro starts at $1,449 Canadian, which is a $50 price increase from last year. The Pro Max on the other hand now starts at a whopping $1,749 Canadian. And mind you, these prices are before the 13% sales tax. These ridiculous prices, especially for the Pro Max, make it hard to justify that purchase. Along with the price difference, the similarities between these Pro iPhones are also quite a lot. Both phones share the same design, the same display, the same type of battery and charging, the same software, the same performance with the A17 Pro chip, the same front, main and ultrawide sensor, and the same USB-C port. The only major advantages the Pro Max has are the bigger display, bigger battery, and the 5x telephoto lens. I don't care much about the 5x telephoto as it's not a variable lens. This means it'll have worse camera quality from 3x to 4.9x zoom range than the 15 Pro. Personally, I think 3x telephoto is the sweet spot. A big advantage the iPhone 15 Pro has, at least for me, is its size. I prefer compact phones and the 15 Pro with its smaller footprint is easily one-handed friendly. The Pro Max is just too large for daily use. And all these reasons combined made me evaluate that the regular Pro is a better choice for me. As for the colors, I am torn between the natural titanium and the blue one. Hopefully I get to take a look at these colors in person before the pre-orders begin. Now what are your thoughts on tonight's event? Are you buying any of the newer iPhones?